Hello YouTube, this is Bill from Vac Lab, and next is a 1970s Hoover Custom Convertible U4007 you've seen in a previous video. This one pulls 107 cubic feet per minute, and I've switched out the paper bag for a HEPA bag. So let's see how well this does in one pass for our debris on top of the carpet test. Well, it did great on either side, but like the rainbow, there is a definite line of shame. And you can see that. Okay, I'll tip the machine over here. Pretty easily, because that's where the belt goes, right in the middle. So that's actually good performance, but just like the rainbow, you will have to go over at a different angle in order to pick up the rest of the debris left from the line of shame. Thanks for watching.